Hola amigos, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Fatima and this is my kitchen, Fatima Spanish Kitchen. If that is your first time here, you will find recipes from my country of origin, Spain. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Soy Fátima y aquí encontrarás recetas de mi país de origen, España. I'm going to share with you a dessert. This dessert is, for me, is a very traditional from Spain, and I'm going to cook some pears in red wine. It's a very simple recipe and it's really delicious. So for this recipe, we are going, of course, we need some pears. I'm using Bosc pears. That is what I find or what I use here in the state. But my only recommendation is the hard, that have to be a little bit hard, but not those pears that are really, really hard. So, they are hard, but not too hard. And of course, red wine. For the red wine, I'm using a Crianza Rioja, a Rioja Crianza. So that is a really good wine from Spain, of course. Here, if you don't want to use a Spanish Crianza, use a Merlot or a good wine, red wine, but not dry. No, you can use, if you want, sweet wine, but not a very dry wine, and a wine, of course, that you can drink, that you can have it with those pears. As always, all the ingredients will be listed at the end of this video, as well as how to eat this wonderful dessert. So let's start making it. Before we start cooking those pears, we have to make sure that our pan, we can fit the pears that we are going to cook. You can make 6, so you can make more, but that is something that you have to do it before start cooking it. I'm going to start peeling all my pears and just leave the stem on, like this, so we can take it off. When I peel my pears, I can fix 5, so I'm going to use 5. First thing is I'm going to put the red wine with the Crianza Rioja that I have here. So I just cover my, all my pears. So that is a bottle of wine. I'm going to put 1 stick of cinnamon. I peel 1 lemon, that yellow lemon. So one thing is try to peel it without any white, because the white make it bitter. So I put my lemon inside, all my skin, and now I'm going to put some sugar. That is up to taste. If you really like sweet, you put more sugar, but I'm going to put 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to try a little bit to see if I can add more. Will be fine. I just mix it a little bit. Medium heat, and we leave it there to cook until they're done, tender. So I've been cooking for like 10 minutes. I'm going to try to see if the sugar is enough, and just a little bit. It's a little bit, we need more sugar. I'm going to put 3 more because we need it, like some sweet. And we remove a little bit, and then in a while we try again to see if it is fine with the sugar. So just try it and put it in medium low heat, just to cooking. When you add the sugar, you have to when you add the sugar, you have to know which type of wine you're using. If you're using a sweet wine, you don't need to add too much sugar, because then it will be too sweet. Just check it, and that is also to taste. If you like, it's to taste. So in the halfway through, I check my pears. I lower the heat a little bit to low medium, and I added more sugar. And also what we want is that the wine have to be like a consistency more of a syrup, and all the alcohol are evaporated. Okay, our pears are done, and of course we have to try them in around an hour. So now, for me, the perfect combination of the pears is with vanilla ice cream. And so I have my pear here. I have my 2 vanillas ice cream. So I'm going to put the pear in my plate. I decorated with some mint. I think that look beautiful. Don't you think that look, your guests will be impressed with that dish. They have the wine, you know, while we cook the pears, I was, you know, putting on top the wine, you know, the syrup, so they get more soak in the pears. That is a presentation. Also, you can cut it in half or in a quarter and put it in the plate. But I think with the vanilla ice cream is perfect. Of course, we have to try it, and I, you know, and I take it. Really, it's really good. With the ice cream and the pear, you know, they have the taste of the cinnamon, not too much, and the lemon with the sugar. And the only recommendation that I tell you is to use a good wine. So you better wine that one that you will drink. That put it in this way. So this is the video of today. I hope you have enjoyed. That is a wonderful dessert, and I think your guests will be really impressed, or your family. So please do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell, so when I post another new video you will be notified. And you know, have a super wonderful week, and I see you next time. Bye bye.